Hi everyone! I am Teacher Manny and welcome to my Ma'am Hugot channel. Panoorin hanggang dulo para malaman kung ano ang hugot ni teacher. So today, I'm gonna show you how mass is conserved in a chemical reaction. And we are going to use here the chemical equation of the process of photosynthesis. And in this equation is already balanced. So, the first thing that we should do is to get the atomic mass from the periodic table of elements. And if you are going to find for carbon, you can see here that its mass is 12.011 gram. But we will just round that off into 12 grams. For hydrogen, you can find there the atomic mass is 1.008 grams, but we will just use 1 gram. And for oxygen, that is 15.999 grams, or we will just use 16 grams. So we will take a look first at the total mass of each molecule. In the reactant side, we have 6 water molecules and 6 carbon dioxide molecules. So we will list the elements present in water molecules. We have hydrogen and oxygen. How many hydrogen are present? So 6 times 2, that's 12 hydrogen atoms. And how many oxygen present? That is 6 times 1, so that is 6. Multiplying the atomic mass of each element, we have 12 times 1 for hydrogen, so we get 12 grams. And then we have 6 atoms of oxygen times 16 grams, this one, so we get 96 grams. And then we just need to add this up, we get 108 grams. For the 6 carbon dioxide molecules, we have carbon and oxygen. There are 6 carbon atoms, and 6 times 2, we get 12 atoms of oxygen. So multiplying the atomic mass of carbon, 12. So 6 times 12 is 72 grams. And then 12 times 16 grams, we get 192 grams. So we add these two, we get 264 grams. We just need to add this, we get 372 grams of total mass of the reactants. Now we compute for the total mass of the molecule C6H12O6 for the products. And here we get carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So we have 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen. Multiply that to the atomic mass. So carbon is 12 grams, and then hydrogen is 1 gram, and oxygen is 16 grams. So again, ang 6 times 12 natin is 72 grams, and then 12 times 1 gram is 12 grams. And then 6 times 16 is 96 grams. The total of this is 72 plus 12 plus 96. We get 180 grams. For the 6 oxygen gas, so we just have here oxygen with 6 times 2, we get 12 times 16. So this is 12 times 16, that is 192 gram. We just need to add this. So we get 372 gram, the mass of the products. So we can see here that the atoms are rearranged after chemical reaction, but the mass stayed the same. So this is what the law of conservation of mass tells us. The mass of the reactants is equal to the mass of the products. Ano ang hugot ni teacher? Now guys, are you ready for the science hugot? As we can see here, atoms are rearranged in a chemical reaction. In life, our situations may change. Minsan masaya, minsan malungkot, minsan challenged, minsan maraming problema. Pero nananatili tayong nakatayo. Kagaya ng mass na nananatili pero nag-a-adjust. Kagaya ng coefficients sa chemical equation para maging balanse pa rin ang buhay natin. Again, this is Teacher Manny nagsasabing stay positive pa rin sa buhay. Hanggang sa muli! And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.